Hey everyone, we're Hyperion, and we help you track your money and actually manage your money better. And we are going to show you a user interface, but since we actually managed to build a prototype, or working prototype with a backend, we can just show you a prototype on the left side here. First screen you see is you can enter personal information like which job you work at and which net worth you have. Next screen you're going to see is a general overview. We predict what your net worth is going to be like in the next 10 years based on your last spendings, and we show you in a nice graph, the white one, how it could look like if you would not have the expenses you had in the last time. You see the wealth factors down here, like inflation, tax, and salary increase that definitely are influencing your net worth. And if you click on Add Expense, you can actually just take a picture of the item you just purchased in order to have it added to the expenses. So we're going to do that right here. We're going to take a picture of the MacBook. You see that here. We use that photo, and our algorithms are going to determine what that exactly is, and are going to add that to your expenses. We've got next other screens, like you see in the middle here, where you can add data, like if it's a monthly expense or if it's not a monthly expense. Could you please raise the phone a bit so you can see it better? And we actually have another screen where you can see your salary, what you can do with your salary. Like, for example, you could switch the position. Like in your salary, if you have a entry position and you switch to a senior position, you would make a huge chunk of more money. And in this chart on the top, you could see that you would make more money as manager, obviously, than if you would just switch to vice president. And actually, how that stuff works, I'm going to show on this slide. Like we get your input data, which are economic variables in your user interface, and we use our machine learning algorithms in order to determine the next steps you could take in order to increase your money. So we can recommend portfolios and other stuff. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Hyperion.